lightweight and capable, ready to go. When the critical moment comes, he will arrive at the scene as soon as possible to show his skills. The new generation of small, intelligent, multi-light flagship drone DJM Matrice for series is officially launched. Powerful camera performance, computing power, and perception. Full release in a light and small body. Matrice 4 series can respond quickly in emergency search and rescue scenarios and support long-term continuous aerial search. It can also complete rapid battery replacement and takeoff within 15 seconds. Efficient rotation. New intelligent computing power can help drones automatically detect people and vehicles, ships and other targets. Super strong laser ranging performance. Real-time target marking and line and surface measurement can be realized. Seekong 2 can view the searched area in real time and supports remote control flight. Interlocking. Efficient collaboration. Euro 4 industry map ships provide you with strong support. Cooperate with D2TK 3 signal intercontinental function. Even in an obstructed environment, the painting picture is still smooth and clear. Night work. Magic Cone Magnetic 4T can help you get twice the result with half the effort. Powerful computing power brings infrared ultralight mode to thermal imaging cameras, accurately detect heat sources. There is also a new searchlight that can work in conjunction with the PTZ, with a high-pitched megaphone for shouting, bringing hope in the dark wilderness. In the animal protection scene, MX4 series is also capable. Through open computing power, operators can customize the detection species. In addition to full-color night vision, there is also black and white night vision that can be used with near-infrared fill light. Allows you to view targets in low-light scenes. Get more details with smart photography. The magnetic letter series can also make power grid inspection safer and more efficient. Medium and long focal length cameras can be used at a safe distance. Clearly present small targets such as traces. Super strong perception performance combined with computing power provides a solid foundation for operational safety. Real guarantee in a complex urban environment. You can also add DJI Enhanced Image Bed Module. Make the signal more stable. When inspecting bridges, don't worry even if the GNSS signal is blocked. There is a new integrated positioning navigation system. Make flying safer. The resolution of the long-distance camera has been comprehensively improved. With Searchlight, can meet the needs of working in dark light environment under the bridge. Mode R-shaped wings will further improve the efficiency of surveying and mapping operations. The remote controller supports multiple routes and built-in DJI mapping modeling capabilities. A rough model can be quickly generated on site. Conduct close-up photogrammetry work. The new second TK3 multifunctional launch. Phase control points can be collected.